Hi, Tina here, and I'm going to help you set up your APK file for your add-on manager so you can do your server update if it's been stuck on 0. So come over to your Android home screen, navigate to the lower left app, and then you're going to always start with a factory reset before you do your server update. So go ahead and choose factory reset. It'll ask you if you want to erase all data from your box's internal storage. Choose yes. And we've already done this, so we're going to spare you those couple minutes. And we're going to back out of there. And then after you've done your factory reset, go ahead and get your Wi-Fi connected in the settings from the main page and put in your password for your Wi-Fi connection, or if you're already connected by Ethernet, you're good to go. Then you'll come back in here in Apps, navigate up to the app installer. And this is where we're going to put our APK file. But first, you need to get a flash drive to install into that box and get the file off of our support website. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in our machine, in our computer. And here I'm at the support.FOMOstream.com website. And we're just going to scroll down to categories and choose add-ons. From here, it'll take us to our blog we have a January 26, 2018 entry for new add-ons manager APK. We're going to click read more. And then this will give you the 6 easy steps to install your APK file. And soon this video will be added down here as well. So come up to Add-ons Manager APK File Download, choose that. And here's the file. Go ahead and click it. And then it's going to ask us where we want to download it to. So I can either save it to my Dropbox or do my direct download like I want to do right now onto my flash drive. So it's asking me where I want to download it to. Lexar is chosen, which is my flash drive. But if you don't currently have that chosen, you'd go to the left on a Mac here. And it's probably different on a Windows, but you just want to make sure that you choose your flash drive to save it onto, and then click Save. It takes just a second. It's already on there. And then I'm going to bring my Finder window back up. Just to make sure it's on there, I'm going to choose Lexar. There's the add-on install. And then I can eject over here on the left with my Mac, eject my flash drive. And just give that a couple seconds, and then take it out of my computer. And from here, you take that flash drive and install it with the USB port. So you're going to go ahead and stick it in the USB. And come back up here to your screen for App Installer. And you can see my flash drive is there. I'm going to navigate down and choose that. And there's the APK file, Add-on Install APK. And I already have one in here before that I had thrown away, but you should just have one add-on install. So you're going to go ahead and choose that. You can see that we already have a star here because it's been installed on our machine, but you want to go ahead and update your APK. So go ahead and click on it. And it will ask you to install it. So go ahead, choose Install. It takes just a second. There we go. And then choose Open. And here we go. All you have to do is hit Add-on Install from here. So simple. And we've already started this earlier, so it's already bumped up to 44%. But yours should start off at 1% and go from there. And that's how you know that your APK file and your server update is working seamlessly again. And thank you so much for supporting FOMOstream and enjoying our Android TV box. And if you have any other questions, just go to our support site